Hello, my name is Arisa Igarashi. I would like to introduce our recent findings, which were just published in Allergy. In our paper, we evaluated the roles of microRNA 29s in airway epithelial cells. MicroRNAs are small, non-coding RNA molecules that have been identified in diverse organisms. A microRNA binds specifically to its target mRNA, thereby repressing translation of the target gene and suppressing synthesis of the target protein. Frequent lower respiratory viral infections in early life are known to be a significant risk factor for later onset of bronchial asthma. However, we still don't have a full understanding of the precise mechanisms of how viral infections lead to asthma. We demonstrated that microRNA 29 simultaneously suppress soluble ST2 release and interferon alpha receptor 1 expression by bronchial epithelial cells. MicroRNA 29s may act by both decreasing interferon-regulated antiviral activities and exacerbating IL-33-dependent allergic inflammation. Our findings suggest that microRNA 29s in airway epithelial cells are key players in the development and/or exacerbation of asthma triggered by respiratory viral infections. Thank you, and we hope you find our paper informative.